Well, here we go. Find out if I left any access doors open anywhere. First beans of 2020. A little short round here done. Just trying to get stuff set. There's one pumpkin, but overall, I'm not seeing a whole lot on the ground. There's spots. Here's 2, 3. Probably a push. Oh, I think what happened there was this one was laying down. All them beans are coming out of this. Never went through the machine. Overall, we're getting closer. This is what I don't like though. Seeing these come out the back. Well, here's our sample. Pretty good sized beans. Busted some of them up. Yeah, maybe I should open it up or slow it down a little bit. Trying to keep it sped up and tightened up to try to get some of this stuff, these big pumpkins thrashed out. Gotta find the happy medium, but it isn't too bad of a sample for the first little jag. Took a sample in there right at 13.5. So, well, it's always something. I was hoping not to have to take the seat out again this year, but this guide, for whatever reason, decided to work its way down, and it's rubbing on the belt. So, oh well, first day glitches. The traffic around here, I tell you. You don't see that every day.